DJ Merx. Hey everyone, it's your girl TrueeBeautyy7. That's True with 2 E's, Beauty with 2 Y's, and a 7 at the end. And welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to get this glam Valentine's Day look. So if you would like to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna start on the brows, and I'm using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso. And I don't know why I said it like that. DJ Merx. Okay, so now I'm gonna prime my eyes and clean up my eyebrows and everything off of camera, and then I'll be right back and we can get into the eye makeup. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna take burnt orange from the Modern Renaissance palette. Had a brain fart. And that's going to be my transition. So I'm taking it from the outer corner into the crease. DJ Merx. Okay, now taking another blending brush, I'm gonna dip into Love Letter. Okay, now I'm going to take another blending brush and dip into Venetian Red. And I'm kind of just putting it like all over where I put Love Letter. DJ Merx. one more blending brush. I'm going to dip into Red Ochre and Love Letter. I think I'm going to dip into a bit of Cypress Umber. Not too much because I don't want it to be super dark. Okay, now I'm taking a blending brush with no extra product. Why can't I talk? Oh my god. With no extra product and blending those edges. Now I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever glitter in number 12. It's like a holographic pink glitter, and for the base I'm gonna be using Stila's Magnificent Metals in Rose Gold Retro. Okay, so first for I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna do like a half cut crease, so like a semi-cut crease, basically, and I'm gonna remove some of the extra product so that I don't make a mess of myself. I'm just gonna cut. And with these, you have to work kind of fast because they do dry down fast. So, just gonna pat the glitter on top. Now I'm gonna take some Red Ochre and some Cypress Umber. DJ Merx. Okay, I'm gonna do mascara and lashes off of camera, and then I'll be right back for the face. Okay, so the lashes are on. Now we're gonna move on to the face. I've already primed off of camera, and I borrowed my sister's Becca primer because I have no idea where mine is. So now we're gonna move on to foundation, and I'm just gonna shake it up. And I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Mocha. I think I might have to go up a shade though. DJ Merx. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I almost forgot what this is called. I started using Warm Honey because I'm running out of Toffee, but I can't find that, so I'm struggling right now. DJ Merx. Alright, so we have the concealer on, so now it is time to blend, and I'm just using a Real Technique sponge. Please don't judge the appearance of it. In case you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know, which if you're not following me, you should. I leave all my social media down below. But anyways, we have a new puppy. Her name is Lily. She's sleeping right now. She's sleeping right next to me. And she got a hold of the sponge, so it has holes in it, and I'm not going to be using that side. I mean, I did just wash it, so it should be fine, but DJ Merx. Now it is time to set the under eye and everywhere else, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so now I'm going to contour, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 35 O Matte palette and taking my contour brush, and I kind of just use a couple of the brown shades in like the lower middle of the palette. I'm just going to put that right next to me. Now I'm going to set my face. And I used the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Okay, so now I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife, and I'm going to be careful with it because it is quite pigmented. Guys, so I switched over to my Sony camera, so that's why the angle looks a bit different and why you could see more of the background and stuff. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Yeah, so I put on my highlighter and now we're gonna move on to the lips. And for my lips, I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede in Downtown Beauty, and I'm using Lumiere 2 from ColourPop.
No.
Alright guys, so this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Alyssa, you want to say bye? Lily says bye.
She's nuts.